Good afternoon, everybody. We are back. We are here. Things are looking, well, rainy, dreary, gray outside. But we got Dark Bro F. Frank, second in the chat, IRST. What's up, Dark Bro? Frank, Dark Bro, Frank, Dark Bro, Dark Bro, Pat, Dark Bro, Frank, Dark Bro, Patrick, Frank, Tim, Light Bro, Dark Bro, Pat, Tim. We got Pudgy, J-Bones, and Pudgy again. All of you guys, thank you very much for being in here. Let's check the market out. That's not the market, that's Taboo Token. Let's check the market out and see what we got going on in this afternoon. AMC barcoding all day long. This is what AMC has amounted to. Barcoding action. Thank you, Adam Aaron, for creating a stock that barcodes now. My goodness. AMC closing the day at $4.03, up 3.20% on the day. Shiba Inu coin sitting at 11.24. GameStop 22.11 with a little volatility after hours there. The QQQ finishing at 315.92. Nasdaq losing a percent on the day, bouncing back a little bit from those 1.5% lows that we were seeing, and it closed the day at 11,996.47 points. Pure Therapeutics $2.79. This is Braille, ladies and gentlemen. Look at this. This is a 2-day graph. Barely any trades being made on Pure Therapeutics. Ethereum sitting at 1906, bouncing back, man. Ethereum looking very strong over the last couple of hours here. Shiba Inu coin 11.23, Dogecoin 9.3 cents, having a little dip this afternoon, touching 9 cents, back up to 9.3 cents right now. Bitcoin sitting at 28,200, having a nice little rally along with Ethereum. They both look pretty similar there. Mullen Auto closing at 10 cents today, 10.11 cents, down 3.90 on the day. Sundial sitting at $1.48, also mixed between barcode and braille right there. We get CEI barcoding, more braille on. My gosh, dude, nothing is being traded. CEI sitting at $1.53. The SPY 407.66. BBIG 25 stinking cents, man. This stock getting brutalized today, touching 23.5 cents, and then literally no volume the rest of the day there after a decent little trade at 2:30, closing the day at 24.95. Highcraft Mining 42.42 cents. Netflix $342.35. QQQ 315.92, and Ape sitting at $1.71 at the close. It is up 2% today, but nonetheless down big from where it was a couple of weeks ago, sitting at 336, all the way back down, losing 50% to $1.71 right now. What do we got going on right there? I heard a super chat noise. Patrick! Dark Bro, baby. Dilly dilly to you. Frank, you're still our market combat champion. Stay firsty, my friends. 9,990. Let's go. That is good, man. That is good right there. Patrick, thank you very much for the super chat. Absolutely appreciate that one, man. Did we just take a couple extra numbers off there? I think we took a couple extra numbers off there because that super chat was slightly larger than the rest of them. Patrick, thank you very much for the super chat. Loving it, man. And I think we took a couple extra numbers off on that one, and I'll accept it. Very, very good. Hit like so no more ads. Guys, click the like button. If you don't, I guarantee I do hit you with an ad. Listen, we have been so low on likes. It's actually disappointing to look when we've got like 50, 60 people in here, and then I look at the likes and there's 16 likes. So, yes, guys. Please do click the like button. Don't be afraid. It's not going to do anything ridiculous to your algorithm. It's not going to wake you up at 2 o'clock in the morning and say, hey, watch Clay, bro. It's not going to do any of that nonsense, but it will help the channel. It will help YouTube understand that you do enjoy these videos and these live streams. So click the like button. Listen to it read. My goodness. Federal Aviation Administration. Yes, we know what the Federal Aviation Administration is and does, and it screws people over. J-Bones, I'm on, man. Code, I like it. AMC to pool to Nufo. Yes, baby. Spring yard maintenance is done. Looking birdie. Very nice, Dark Bro. I have, over the last couple of days, been weeding the mulch beds out there. And I'm going to tell you, dude, the front yard has a lot of mulch and the front yard has a lot of weeds. So, nothing that I'm going to get done in one day. Dude, just taking it easy, going out there when it's nice out and pulling a couple wheats is good. Bro, paid 8 cents for a transaction on BNB. Meanwhile, we get Ethereum over here trying to charge $45. Yeah, Dark Bro, that's insane, man. The Ethereum transaction fees are crazy. Now, 8 cents is still very cheap, right? Now imagine that 8 cents turns into 1 cent. That's going to be Shibarium transactions. I'm okay with 8 cents. I think everybody in here would be okay with 8 cents. I think that the only way that you're not okay with 8 cents is if you're literally trying to scalp a million 1 to 2 cent trades a day, and then you want 1 cent fees like Shibarium's going to have. I think that's the only kind of scenario I can imagine where 1 cent fees are going to be the only way through, or less than 1 cent fees are going to be the only way through, is if you're scalping 2 cent trades all day long. Otherwise, 8 cent fees, dude, that's really cheap. 2 for 2 firsty bros. I don't even know. Oh, gotcha. That's how we got 2. Yes. And I only took 1 drink, so I'll take another one. Since it was double authorized, I'll take the double authorization. Thank you very much, Pat. Huge pile of AA. J-Bones is on it today, man. J-Bones is speaking the truth. Skytoshi Stonomoto. Yes, Skytoshi Stonomoto. Sky Stonify in the house, baby. What's going on, Sky Stonify? Just jump in, and 8 was number 9 on the like button. Guys, click the like button just like Richard did. Takes half a second to hit the like button. Just do it. Listen to Dark Bro. My crap coin is pumping. Roulette wheel. Good deal. I hope that all of your guys' crap coins just pump the crap out of all the crap coins, man. I hope we all make it rich in crap coins. According to the analysis, has Bitcoin officially decoupled from the S&P 500 and stocks, not financial advice? PS5, future of gaming. Are you asking a question or are you making a statement? I don't know which one you're doing. Are you asking a question or making a statement? Because both of them have been doing pretty well. If you look at Bitcoin on a daily chart here, and you look at the S&P 500 on a daily chart here, it's not exactly the same, okay? But we have seen a nice rally since the beginning of the year in both of them. If you go to the beginning of 2023, we tested 400, back down to 380, back up to the high we tested in early February. If you look at Bitcoin here, since the beginning of 2023, okay, we've come up, tested this 25,000 level, pulled back just the same, but we have bounced up even further. So if we were testing 25,000 again, the S&P 500 and Bitcoin would basically be toe-to-toe doing the exact same move. Since we're on the same level at the S&P 500 as we were before, Bitcoin has slightly surpassed that level of resistance and is hitting the next level of resistance. So Bitcoin outperforming the S&P 500 since the beginning of the year, absolutely, no arguing against that one. But nonetheless, they're moving in the same direction. When Bitcoin is going up, the S&P 500 is typically going up. When the S&P 500 is going up, Bitcoin is typically going up, and so on. Weed? Something? Maybe? I don't know. Let's see here. FFS, whatever that, man. Free-for-all? We got a free-for-all going on? I'm starting at Fields, trying to figure out how much the diesel is going to cost to get them to put in. I have no idea what Tim's got going on right there, but I like it. We got Patrick with a green name. Who's grabbing that green name right now? We got Crypto Creeper. Keeper, not Creeper, man. Crypto Creeper is actually a pretty good name. I like Crypto Creeper. Crypto Keeper grabbing that green name. Crypto Man, if you're in here, please say thank you to Pat. If you're not in here, everybody else say thank you to Pat. Patrick, man, thank you very much for another green name. I don't even know if Roulette Wheel, by choice, is the only gray name in the chat, man. Everybody else throwing green names out there. Thank you very much, Pat, for that green name. And we got another one. Patrick throwing out another green name to Sir Lawrence. Sir Lawrence grabbing a green name. Sir Lawrence, if you were in here right now, please, sir, say thank you to Patrick. Patrick, man, thank you very much for the green name. Absolutely love it. Guys, 29 of you in here, please. 29 welcomes to Sir Lawrence, and 29 thank yous to Patrick for throwing that green name out there. We got Nick F in here. Good afternoon, Nick F. How you doing today? Dark Bro up there says, I try to take some profits on Paul Swap. My profits are worth the transaction fee. Oh my gosh, dude. Yeah, that's the crazy part, man. That's the crazy part. You got to make a couple $100 if you ever expect to make any profit on the Ethereum blockchain. It's nuts. We got a ton of stuff to do before island hopping tomorrow. Mahalo, peeps. Enjoy it. Moji, man. Thank you very much for checking in. Thanks for being here. Thanks for clicking that like button because I know you did. And definitely enjoy the island hopping, man. I don't think anybody could have a bad day island hopping. What's up? Hope everyone's having a good day. Declan, we are having a good day. And Patrick with another green name. Jeff grabbing a green name. Jeff Wadlow, man, if you're in here, please say thank you to Patrick for yet another green name. And guys, if Jeff is not in here, please, somebody say thank you. Say thank you right there. MDW grabbing a green name, Patrick. Thank you very much for throwing out yet another green name. I don't even know if MDW is in here. My goodness, please say thank you if you are MDW. But if you're not, guys, throw out another thank you for Patrick for throwing 3 or 4 green names in the chat. 4 green names in the chat right now. Pat, man, thank you very much. Every time, Clay, is easy. It's an easy click. Well, thank you very much, Moji. It might be an easy click for you, but everybody else acts like I gotta pull their darn teeth to get them to click the like button. So thank you very much, Moji, for clicking that like button. YouTube, it doesn't like me because if I try to get a free membership, it just says report or block. Roulette wheel. I have no idea why it doesn't like you. Patrick throwing out another green name. Patrick, thank you very much for another green name. We got Tristan Thexton with a green name right there. Tristan, man, if you're in here, please say thank you to Pat for throwing that green name out. All of you guys already know the drill. Everybody throwing thanks to Pat for yet another green name. Patrick, man, thank you very much. Loving all. There's no gray names in here except Roulette Wheel, man. Roulette Wheel is the only gray name. Dark Bro, the same problem with Paul Swap. I hope its variant comes out soon, so maybe we can take profits on it. Wait, Reed, yeah, that's a possibility there, man. If Shibarium comes out, you probably can just bridge your token right on over to Shibarium and have that transaction with a 1 cent transaction fee instead of what, $45 transaction fee. Is Dogecoin outperforming Shib, or are they both under Elon? Just asking as a friend. Absolutely. PS5, and that's a good question. Listen, I believe that they are both tied together. They're both these dog meme coins, right? So if Dogecoin is running, you're typically going to see Shiba Inu coin running. If Shiba Inu coin is running, you're typically going to see Shiba Inu coin running. 5 green names from Patrick. Thank you very much, Pat, man. My goodness. We got Paul with a green name, JMJ with a green name, Stick Beauty with a green name, Alex Rivera with a green name, and Michael Colea with a green name. Thank you very much, Patrick. Everybody but Roulette has a green name, don't you forget. Everybody but Roulette has a green name, don't you forget. Patrick, thank you very much, Pat, for the member chats, man. 5 new green names there. I believe 5 new green names above that. Patrick, making everybody in this chat a bro. My goodness, Patrick. Guys, listen, throw a thank you out. There's 29 people in here right now. Throw a thank you out to Pat for throwing all those green names in here. I don't know if Paul, JMJ, Stig, Alex, and Michael Colea are in here right now. If you guys are, please throw a thank you. Oh, yeah, Paul is in here. Thanks, Pat. Appreciate that, Paul. If anybody else is in here, please say thank you. And even if you didn't win a green name, please say thank you to Pat as well. Pat, man, you're incredible, dude. Anyone holding SVOL, I am not looking for a shift over from SCAHD until I have enough for 100 shares. Yeah, I do not hold SVOL. Anybody else holding SVOL? Let's see what SVOL looks like, guys. SVOL. Simplify Volatility Premium. My gosh, there's not much volume on this this ETF here, is there? Nope, not much volume on it, but look at that dividend yield. Holy moly, 16.29% dividend yield on this ETF right here. It has gone from $18 in October of 2022 up to $21. That's a strong gain, guys. 18 to 21 is a strong gain, knowing that this market has been hit brutally. So, not a bad ETF at all. Loving this dividend yield. It's 16.29% though, Frank. Very nice on that one. And in case it does dip down, you guys do have some support in this 21 to 2075 area in case it dips down and hits this level again. And you guys are looking to buy some sort of a dip. I would say $20.75 there. Decent level of support on SVOL if you guys are trying to grab it. Control 2XY. Control is a, I don't know if that's a name in here or not. Have you heard of it? No, I have not. Okay, so that's not a name. One of my mates said about it, and I think it looks too risky. Control 2XY. I'm going to have to pull that up and look at it. But we've got another super chat from Pat, man. Pat, thank you very much for the Streamlabs super chat. Congratulations to the new green names. May the moon and stars be within your grasp and your finances be evergreen. We've got 9,989 left to go. Let's get it. Beautiful, man. Absolutely beautiful. Patrick, thank you very much for all of the super chats, all of the green names, and the motivation to everybody else who in here is green, guys. I hope that everybody is looking out for everybody, and just know that we're going to make it, man. We're going to make it to the next bull market, and the next bull market is going to make absolute wealth. We really will generate wealth in the next bull market, whether you're talking about crypto or stocks, combination of both. It's going to be even better than bouncing off those lows from 2008, 2009. We're going to be making some serious progress and some serious strides forward, guys. So do not give up during this bear market. Patrick, he's right on that one, man. We've got the moon and stars within our grasp, and our finances will be green. Let's see. Is it time to move on when it comes to Layer 1 development team? Paul, that's a very good question. After seeing some of the stuff that I saw today, I would say yes. Okay? I would say yes. I don't really like the way that Tobias or Zaradar, whatever you guys know him as, is reacting to the Terra Luna Classic community. You can be smart, and you can be the smartest guy in the room. But you don't have to be arrogant. You don't have to be disrespectful. As a matter of fact, I think that it's kind of disgusting. If you're the smartest guy in the room, you should be looked up to as a leader, not somebody who's looking down on everybody else. So, and that's the way that I view Tobias, man. He might be a really smart guy. He might be somebody who knows exactly what he's doing. But the way that he reacts to the Terra Luna Classic community, instead of helping build them up and take them to the next level, talking down on them, and basically saying it's my way or the highway, I've got another job offer, blah, blah, blah. It's pretty tough, dude. If you acted like that at work, I don't think that you would really expect to be back the next day. So I don't think that he really expects to be back the next day either. Hey bros, Bitcoin rise, not financial advice on any time frame 30,000. Yes. So PS5, man, I do. AMC, any money collected. Adam Aaron is an absolute donut. Adam Aaron is a donut, man. I'll agree with that one, Tim. I do. Adam Aaron is definitely a donut. Bronson, man. What's up, Bronson? I haven't seen you in a while. Let's see here. Let's look at Bitcoin real quick. So Bitcoin on its way to 30,000, absolutely. What we're seeing right now is just sheer strength, okay? Bitcoin flexing its muscles since the beginning of 2021 here and is doing nicely to follow this trend line. Let's check out this trend line here. It is doing nicely to follow this trend. Now, it did break down and come right back up. So if we're watching this trend line, it's spent about a week and a half, 2 weeks below it, before bouncing back up again, but hitting these higher lows in succession and wedging into this $29,000 area right here. If it breaks to the downside, okay, we're coming back down. But the momentum right now is for an upside break. Now, we might trend in this consolidated area until the middle of April. But the middle of April would provide a potential breakout to the upside there, barring any sort of unforeseen, regulatory crackdown or regulatory hit that would cause a disaster for Bitcoin there. And Patrick with another one. Patrick, 8-ball question. Should Tobias go? Oh, my goodness. Well, 8-ball might be broken. We're about to find out if the 8-ball is broken or not. But, nope, 8-ball's not broken. What do you know? Should Tobias go? Should Tobias leave the Terra Luna Classic community and the Layer 1 team? Ladies and gentlemen, you may rely on it. I don't know if you can see that. You may rely on it. Tobias, this is the answer from the 8-ball, and we may rely on it. Pat, I guess that the 8-ball has spoken, man. The 8-ball has spoken. That's not me. That's the all-knowing 8-ball. Time for Tobias to go and somebody else to step in. We have paid the man. Guys, $13,500 a month is a lot for some part-time blockchain work that nobody is really validating and checking gets done. And the thing is, I don't know, right? And I might be overstepping my boundaries here. I don't know what all it takes to just upgrade a chain and maintain the blockchain, but I would imagine, okay, it's not full-time work. And these guys don't come sit on their computers for 9-10 hours a day and work on the Terra Luna Classic blockchain. Therefore, does it require $13,500 a month in payment, guaranteed, whether it works or doesn't? I say no to that one, man. I say no. Patrick again! He says he's going to drink to that 8-ball answer right there. Patrick, man, thank you. And you're going to make me have to go to the bathroom here pretty soon. Patrick with the authorized hydration. Let's drink to it, man. Oh, so good. Dude, just a tiny little refresh like that goes so far when it comes to that authorized hydration. Patrick, man, thank you very much for that. My goodness, you have no idea how much of a necessity that authorized hydration really is. Do you think Binance will list Baby Doge this year? Whoo! You know what? Let me say this. I think that Binance US will not list Baby Doge this year, okay? I plugged the phone in, so it charges and I don't know what percentage we're at there. I don't think that Binance US lists Baby Doge this year. But I do think that Binance could list Baby Doge. There's going to be so many, eyes on cryptocurrency exchanges here in the United States that it's not going to be conducive to listing a lot more meme coins. You remember how, reluctant is the right word, Robinhood was to list Shiba Inu coin. I truly believe that that's the way that we're going to see Coinbase acting, Kraken, Binance, and whatever other U.S. exchange you want to throw in there. I really believe that's how we're going to see them acting over the next year, 2 years, 3 years, depending on how long these court cases take to either settle or end. So, no, I don't see Binance US listing it, but Binance International could absolutely list it. Let's see. Good to see you, brother. It's very good to see Bronson, man. How's Aunt Nancy doing, Bronson? Doing good? Do you think Binance saw that? Tinfoil hat theories. R. Sheldon Cooper. He could be, man. He could be. And he's getting his payment. Super late. Do you see Shiba hitting a penny anytime soon? Guiba Show. No, not anytime soon. I really don't see Shiba hitting a penny anytime soon. Look, Shiba hitting a penny is going to take some massive burns. I don't see Shiba hitting a penny without massive burns. Shiba Inu penny, we know, is like a $5.5 trillion valuation. So the short answer is no. It's not going to hit a $5.5 trillion valuation. The long answer is Shiba Inu coin is going to need at least 90% burns to hit a penny. And that gives it a $500 billion valuation. There's a drastic difference in 500 billion and 5 trillion. And there's still a drastic 100x difference from where we are now and where we would be at Shiba Inu coin at a $500 billion valuation. So it's not going to be easy by any means, dude. And 90% of the supply disappearing is going to require insane levels of burns. Let's see. I think we got rid of all these developers right now. In the short term, we got some good people who actually care. In the long term, it would be worth it to suffer in the short term. And you know what, Dark Bro? Here's my thought on that too, okay? If we got rid of some of these developers, right, we would be in the same position that we were in 7-8 months ago, okay? Terra Luna Classic may get beaten back down to 4,000, 5,000 points per coin. It may retest those lows that it tested after it fell off. But, dude, I can guarantee you, okay? I can guarantee you there's some kid somewhere that knows more than Tobias. There always is, okay? It's dangerous to assume that you're the smartest man in any room. And it's even more dangerous to assume that you're the smartest man in the world, okay? I'm alone in this room right now. It's literally just, so I am the smartest, but I am also the dumbest man in this room right here. There's 35 people watching. I probably know more about a lot of stuff than you guys do, but I can 100% guarantee you that you know a ton more about other things than I do. That's just the way that it is, man. I can't even name 2 baseball players. I can't even name 3 basketball players. So, you know, sports and there's whatever. Just go along the developing, coding, you know, all that kind of stuff, man. So to assume that you're the best there is very dangerous because chances are, with 7 billion people out there, you're not. But that's not to say that you're very good. And I do believe, yeah, Dark Bro, we could get hit, man. Terra Luna Classic could fall back down to 4,000 or 5,000 points again, leading to the opportunity for another 10, 15, 20x gain, like we had seen in the past. There's nothing wrong with trading. There's nothing wrong with buying that dip right there. But somebody else will almost guaranteed come along with ambition, wanting to build on the Terra Luna Classic blockchain. J-Bones for Bronsoninho. Hey, Bronsoninho, man. Thank you very much, J-Bones, for the super chat. Bronson, baby, that is for you right there. I want my Binance US link for Voyager, kind of like my bones. Sooty from Clay, bro, been waiting patiently by the mailbox and email boxes ever since Christmas. Dude, I don't think the Binance, I don't know, man. The last I read, I think we got an expedited case from the district attorney or a district judge or a federal judge or something, because the Department of Justice came in and blocked the sale of Voyager to Binance. Dude, we're going to be going on a year here soon. We're going to be going on a year here soon that we have just been withheld from our money. It's insane. It's insane, man. I hate seeing it, dude. Mr. Amit Singh! I know where this dude's from. Watch this. Amit Singh from Fremont, California. Hello, everybody. Shiba Inu to the moon. And Mr. Singh, so glad to have you in here, man. Thank you very much for letting us know where you are from. Absolutely appreciate it. And, alright, got the mic back on where it was supposed to be. I accidentally clicked that. Mr. Amit Singh from Fremont, California! Thank you very much for being in here, Singh, and thank you very much for letting us know where you are from once again, man. Bones Hoodie, though, I don't know what we're gonna do about that. Bronson, I don't even know what size you wore, dude. I don't even know if you, I don't even know, like, was it a large? Did I already get rid of the largest? Like, I don't know if you had one or not. They have a new Yogi coin. Who's got a Yogi coin? The Shiba Inu coin community or somebody else? Yogi. Yogi. What? Hold on. What's AMC doing here in the top left? Oh, nothing. Moving 4 cents. My bad, guys. My bad. I got excited. The green candles looked pretty big, but they're not that big. It's a 4-cent move. Don't worry about that. Coming back out here. What is this Yogi coin we got? Looks like a little Buddha-looking Shiba Inu up here symbol. Kind of the same way that he is. He's sitting there. Very, very low market cap. Very, very low volume. And it is very, very new, coming out at March 29th. Coming out March 29th. So it's been out less than a week so far. It has done nothing but go down. Man, it's already lost a pretty decent amount, going from 2 cents down to 0.006. I would be a little skeptical of this one, but hey, it absolutely could bounce, and it does have a very low, fully diluted market cap, which means that it's got a lot of potential there. But I don't know if they're going to be building on Shibarium. I haven't seen these guys before. Let's see. Contract owner may contain the authority to modify the transaction tax and contain blacklist function. Please exercise caution before taking any action and do your own research. So please watch out for Yogi Coin if you guys are interested in it. It could be something. They might be building on Shibarium, but always be skeptical. Always, treat it like a lottery ticket play. What most people don't understand is knowledge is a tool. Just because you don't, or just because you have it, doesn't mean you're the only one who does. Teaching is better than being a know-it-all. Yeah, and you know what? I truly do believe, man. You've got a little bit of a responsibility at that point. Not necessarily a responsibility to teach everything you know and all of that stuff, but you do have a responsibility to treat others, with some level of respect. I don't like people. They don't act like that. Never got my Christmas spam, the chat shirt. What is, dude, Bronson? How did you not get anything, man? Is Bronson playing me right now? I think Bronson might be playing me. If Bronson, because I don't even remember who all was sent out to, but if Bronson didn't get his shirt that Bronson was owed, Bronson definitely needs to get his shirt that Bronson was owed. We're all adults here with the current dictator for Shib. If you believe in it mooning, you believe in Santa. I do believe in Santa, man. And I believe in the Easter Bunny. And I believe in the Tooth Fairy. They came to my house until I got old. And then once I got old, well, they stopped coming. Man, I don't know why they stopped coming when I was older, man. But, yeah, they were there. I'll tell you, the neighbors in Ohio are something else. We are the best ever. Thank you very much, Bronson, for pointing that out. Clear, bro, did you get my Discord DM? I sent you the link to the Go Plus site. Let's take a look. I'm sure I did, Dark Bro. And I did, yes. All right, just go there, man. So try to tell me that. Check it. Well, we could do that. Look, if hold on, I gotta move it over from this one to this one. Yeah. So look, if you want to check out little tokens like this and see a little bit more about them, Dark Bro's got a pretty cool link here that you could do it. You take you copy the address for the token there, and then you come over here and does this have Arbitrum? It does. All right. There's 4 items that need attention on this. None of them are necessarily risky. However, anti-whale, there's a limited number of transactions that can take place. Anti-whale is modifiable. The maximum token trading amount, maximum position can be modified, which may lead to suspension of trading. Honeypot risk. So that's pretty bad. They could take it and they could basically say, well, anybody with over 100 tokens can't trade those tokens. That's pretty risky if you ask me. Now, the tax can be modified. If the transaction tax is increased to more than 49%, tokens will not be able to be traded. That's also a honeypot risk. and a blacklist function. Blacklist function is included. Some addresses maybe not be able to trade normally. Honeypot risk for specific addresses or potentially all the addresses. So there are a couple risky items on this coin right here that the development team or the people who, I guess, introduced this coin could go in there, modify them, and take everybody's money. But nonetheless, man, I don't know enough about this coin right now or the team behind it to say that they would do so or would not do so. Thoughts and prayers to all the family in that tornado. Oh my gosh, do we get a tornado going on in Missouri right now? It's cool, you Clayton, if you hate me. I love you, Bronson. I do not hate you, man. What? Oh, protesting. I was like, what is this, man? Prostating? Clay, bro? What is happening right now? Prostate? No, I didn't think so. I didn't think so, Bronson. Protesting, okay, yes, but prostate, don't do none of that, dude. Don't do none of that. Sorry, his internet's cocky. Bounty coin could end his attitude. Yeah, it very well could. Tim, did you see where they took Bounty Coin into their own hands with Crypto King? Dude, they took that kid, they kidnapped that kid, and they beat that kid because he literally stole millions of dollars from people. So, yeah, they took a Bounty Coin into their own hands in that one and made it happen. I don't know if they were paid off to do it or not, but, yeah, they got that kid for stealing millions of dollars from people. And look, guys, I'm not condoning that. I'm not saying go kidnap some kid and beat him, but dude, do not expect just to steal from people. That's crazy. Even if you've seen Aladdin, man. You know, when Jasmine goes to take that, whatever it is, apple or loaf of bread or whatever, and give it to that little kid, man, that dude grabs her little wrist and he's about to come down on it before Abu and Aladdin step in and make it better. Do not expect to just steal from people and everything be okay. Just watch Aladdin and you'll know. Thoughts on Doge? Yeah, I gotta Ray. So Dogecoin, I don't have any Dogecoin right now. Okay, I've traded Dogecoin before. I do not own any right now. But in my opinion, it is extremely reliant on Elon Musk. And I do think that Elon Musk will continue the volatility. I think he's going to continue having fun with it maybe every couple of months or something, integrating it into Twitter, tweeting about it to half the world. And I think that he's going to keep Dogecoin alive. On top of that, though, I don't know how far down it comes. So it's going to have some volatile spikes. And there's going to be plenty of like swing trade opportunities. But as far as being some sort of a coin that goes to $5, $10, I do think it could bounce up to $1. You know, I do think that it could do that. But I don't know the longer term projection for Dogecoin. I just think it's so extremely correlated to Elon Musk that it's probably going to be better swing trading opportunities on that volatility than it would be some sort of a long-term hold. That's just my thoughts. Clearly, there are a lot of people who love Dogecoin and will never sell it, but that's kind of my outlook on what to expect for Dogecoin. Have you heard that Binance may possibly give an over $2 million grant to Terra Luna Classic? Kraken, I have not. I've not seen that information, so I don't know what that would be for. But $2 million. Listen, they could easily give a $2 million grant to Terra Luna Classic. Binance is burning a few $100,000 every month now in Terra Luna Classic trading fees. If they decided to do some sort of a burn and grant split, maybe they fund the community pool with half the burns and burn the other half of their trading fees there. They could easily do that. So I don't think that it would be out of the question. And I don't think that that's necessarily like a fake news story. Binance could easily give a grant like that. So I just haven't seen it though, man. I just haven't seen it. If you get any more details, definitely let us know. But I haven't seen that. Crypto King got beat. Yeah, dude, Crypto King got beat down so bad. And listen, You know, I might be talking like it's a light situation. It's clearly not a light situation to that kid or any of his family members or anything like that. You can't steal millions of dollars from people. You really cannot do it. You can't, especially people that have millions of dollars to give you. Think about that, man. You know, if I'm giving some kid $250,000 to invest in crypto for me, you've got some means, man. You've got some means. You can't be... It's one thing if you steal some guy's last dollar and kick him while he's down. But, dude, if you're stealing $250,000 from somebody that's got $10 million, they're gonna find you, dude. They're just not gonna, well, I guess you can have it. You can't do that. But... dude, he got beat down so bad. Crypto King that makes Terra Luna Classic videos, he changed his name to Levi, man. He didn't even want to be associated with Crypto King at that point. It was so bad that that kid changed his name, man. Let's see. When did this happen? I think last week, Dark Bro. I think it was last week. Let's see if we can find this here. Yeah, dude, March 27th. March 27th is when this happened. So, fallen Crypto King, who owes millions to investors, was kidnapped and tortured. This kid right here, what he basically did, he went out, and I don't know how he started, okay? But he had nice cars. He took some videos of himself at some nice houses. And he said, send me your money, and I'll get you a beautiful return. I forget what he was talking about doing and how much he was going to return to you. Oh, he promised returns of 7%, okay? So Crypto King led a lavish lifestyle, owned McLaren sports cars and a Lamborghini, and even rented a waterfront home for $45,000 a month. My gosh, he sounds like the Terra Luna Classic developers. He promised investors healthy returns of 7%. Believable, doable, but it all came crashing down, and he ended up filing for bankruptcy. Dang, man. Just like the centralized cryptocurrency exchanges. Look, here's the thing, man. You're going to kidnap and beat this kid. They didn't kill him, but they're going to kidnap and beat this kid. What about Sam Bankman-Fried? What about the executives that worked at FTX? What about the CEO of Voyager? Well, you know, what about Celsius? What about the CEO and the executives at Celsius? They did the exact same thing. Promised you 7% staking returns, filed for bankruptcy, and they're keeping all of your money now. So, yeah, I don't know. Believed he was 23 when the company went under, was abducted by disgruntled creditors. Listen, I'm not saying as should the CEO and everybody for Voyager and all of that, but he did nothing different than they did, man. This kid took their money, went out, bought Lamborghinis, bought Mercedes, bought a nice house, rented a house for $45,000 a month. And what he did, he videotaped himself with all of those nice things and made you think that he could easily generate a 7% annualized return. And then he used the money that he brought in and he paid for more things. So, yeah, dude, he literally did nothing any different. Pocket! I do not know who Pocket is. I love it. But I will never ignore Pocket, man. Thank you very much for this super chat. Really, I got to put a... I don't know why that super chat did not have a sound there. We gotta figure out a sound for the no ignore. I got to see that one come up. Play stupid games, man. They were playing them games. Kidnapped for 3 days and tortured. Brutal. Hey. Yeah, it is brutal, man, but you can't steal millions of dollars from people. You literally can't do it. Is this kid never, like, thought logically about anything? Let's see here. I gotta fix this real quick. Hold on. I gotta get a sound on that one, because I don't ever want to miss that, and there was clearly no sound. So, alert box, yes. Donations, yes. What do we got here? Variations. Yes. We've got no ignore. Yes. Audio file. It's clearly not selected. What do we got? Let's just do... Ooh, that's a nice no ignore. Let's click that one. All right. The no ignore has been saved, and we're going to save those settings once again. Thank you guys very much for that. Pocket, whoever Pocket is, thank you very much for the Streamlabs Super Chat. I love it, Pocket. Appreciate it, and I will never ignore anybody. I got a heck of a rain going on here. I got to get out to the barn. See y'all, clear, bro, fam. Yeah, Tim, it's raining here, man. It was raining harder a little bit earlier today, but I can definitely hear it. It's hitting the skylight right now, and I can hear it pretty heavy. So Tim is not lying, guys. It is definitely raining hard here in Ohio. Check out the pic I sent you in the Discord. Oh, Dark Bro. What do we got going on, man? Nice. I got a little fidget right here. I lost your address. Can you send it to me again? Yes. All right, cool. Got it to you, Dark Bro. Howdy. It's been a while, Clay Bro. Matthew Johnson, man. It has been a while. Glad to have you back in here. Appreciate you being in here, dude. And let's come back out and take that off the screen right now. We're good to go. Let's see. Oh, XRP. I want to look at XRP for a Light Bro right here. Gonna be pulling XRP for Light Bro. Hold, please. We gotta find XRP real quick. XRP. XRP currently sitting at 50 cents. Man, XRP is doing really well, even though this is down just slightly. Look at the monthly graph on XRP. Going from 37 cents, where it's basically spent the last year, bouncing back and forth between the lower 30s and upper 30s, between this 30 and 40 cent mark, and breaking out a little bit, coming in and testing this level of resistance in the upper to mid 50s. So very solid move for XRP and Ripple. I don't know if this is because people are anticipating a lawsuit win. I don't know if this is because people are, viewing XRP as a cryptocurrency that is, I guess, safer than banks and the bank fallout that was going on over the last month. I really don't know why it has risen from about 30 cents to 55 cents over the last couple of weeks here. But, dude, celebrate a victory, man. 50 cents is a victory for XRP. So XRP looking very nice, bouncing back and forth between 50 and 52 cents. 5% channel it's trading in right now. So, yeah, Skystonify, man, Light Bro, XRP looking very solid right now. You got a blast. Pudgy, you got a blast. If you're leaving, Pudgy, thank you very much for being in here. Absolutely appreciate you, dude. Don't forget to click the like button if you haven't already. Shiba to the moon. Aha! Doubtfully. You know what? It is doubtful that Shiba Inu coin goes to the moon during a bear market. I can't stress that enough. It's very doubtful that anything really goes to the moon during a bear market. Now, with that being said, how far away is the moon, dude? Because we've had a couple coins just since the beginning of 2023. Just in the last couple of months, 3 months, they've 10x'd, 15x'd in value. And they're decent-sized coins, going from a $10 million valuation to a $100 million valuation. And that's nothing to take lightly. If you 10x your money, you are solid for a very long time. Nobody in their lifetime 10x's their investment. If you're keeping it in a bank, if you're keeping it in a mutual fund, if you're having somebody else invest it for you, you will never see 10x gains. You'll never see them. I'm telling you right now, you won't do it. You're just going to have your average 5 to 6% annualized returns, and that is it. That's why so many people were willing to give Crypto King their money when he promised a 7% return. That people die for 7% returns, and he almost died offering 7% returns. So people go crazy for very, very what's considered low returns, man. Let's see. Claybro, I think I got it figured out. Pulling 60% out of SCHD at a 6.8% loss. Not bad at all, man. You are allowed to take losses. Some people will tell you never trade when you're down, never close out a losing position. I'm telling you right now, dude, if you're going to move it over to something where you're going to make more money, you're already better off. Let's see. Taking that money and maybe 400 extra to buy SVOL for about $1,200 investment, starting at about $18 a month or monthly dividend reinvesting. Dude, if you're 18 bucks on a $1,200 investment, right there, man, that's with your 16 point whatever percent annualized return. Paid out monthly. That's a 1% monthly gain, man. What people don't realize is with a nice 1% monthly gain, 72 months, okay, it sounds like a long time, but after 6 years, you've doubled your money. And you didn't have to do a stinking thing. You just let it sit there and let them pay you the dividend. And if you double and double and double and double, all of a sudden, man, you've 16 extra money over the course of your investing career, and you didn't even have to touch it. You just let the dividend do the work. Now, clearly that thing could change, and you could manage it and manage your positions and all of that. But yeah, Frank, nothing wrong at all with making a beautiful 1+% monthly return on your dividend, which will compound. Please don't ever forget that it's going to compound as well. Of course, if you reinvest it, right? John J! Thank you very much for the super chat. John J says, fist, boom, fist, boom, fist, boom, fist, boom, baby. John J. Thank you very much for the super chat. I love our Discord. You people are family. John J, man, I love the Discord as well. These people are all bros, man. They really are. These people are all bros. I love the Discord as well. John J, if you guys have not joined the Discord, please do so. You got an expired link in the chat, but if you want to join it, I'll post a link in there. And John J, dude, thank you very much for that super chat, my man. And whoever Pocket is, I don't know who Pocket is, but thank you for the Streamlabs super chat that you sent a minute ago. Hey, I don't know who Pocket is. It's a little different when you guys can make up your own names in the Streamlabs super chats there. So weird driving by this new company to this city called Mullen Automotive. The sign looks like more than 10 cents a share. Oh gosh, dude. So what you're saying is, Bronson, that Mullen Automotive is a real company. They're just spending their money as opposed to creating investment value. You know, there's one thing, dude, when you're talking about issuing new shares, diluting shareholders, and using shareholders as a bank to print your own money. It's bad when the U.S. prints money, and it's bad when companies print money by using retail or institutional investors to issue new shares too. So, yeah, dude, I guess it's true that Mullen is a real company. They just spend instead of create value. Is Pocket wanna? If you're out there and you're going under the name Pocket, yes, man, you just made my day. But I have no idea who Pocket is. Pocket could very well be wanna. Pocket could be you, Pat. Pocket could be you. I don't know who Pocket is. It's a mystery who Pocket is right now. Didn't AMC just do that? Yes, Bronson. AMC did that, and it is going to continue doing that, man. Look, you guys know my feelings on Adam Aaron. He's the Federal Aviation Association, right? But for some reason, there's a lot of people out there who believe Adam Aaron is doing something good. And I can't tell if these people are real or if these people are fake. But to me, it does not make any sense to use investors as basically a revolving line of credit that they will never pay back. I mean, think about it this way, okay? What Adam Aaron did, he issued all of his shares outstanding. All of them. And then he couldn't get any more, so he decided to convert his preferred shares outstanding on a 1-for-100 basis and issue those shares. And when he's done issuing those shares, they decide to do a conversion. Now this conversion, reverse split, and newly authorized shares are going to allow him an additional basically 300 to 400 million shares that are authorized and not outstanding. So we're going to go from having, a billion shares outstanding to 150 million with the possibility for another 400 million shares, 350 million shares to be issued with 500 million total that can be outstanding. That's no different than having 5 billion total shares outstanding. And when he does that, even if it's over the course of the next 10 to 15 years, even if those shares are finally all issued, guess what's going to happen again? After all of that dilution takes place and the stock price keeps coming down, we're going to reverse split once again, and we are going to authorize new shares once again, and then that beautiful batch of retail investors is going to flip the bill for whatever Adam Aron wants to pay for, including his $20 million a year salary. Oh my goodness. Just generate some revenue, man. Yeah, have a positive bottom line. Run the business based on that positive bottom line, not how much money you can take out of retail investors' pockets. Ooh, now I understand pocket. Hasta mañana, bromigos. Light bro. Thank you very much for being in here. And if you are leaving right now, I appreciate it. Click the like button on the way out if you haven't done so already. And hasta mañana, bromigo. How does a person buy a vibranium? Asking for Pudgy. Well, I think you gotta... Is vibranium the one that is in Wakanda? Or is that in X-Men? Vibranium's in Wakanda, right? I think vibranium's what Captain America's shield's made out of. I could be wrong on that, but that's where I'm going. Adam Aron isn't dumb. Or AMC isn't dumb. Adam Aron is. Yeah, you know what? And I don't think that Adam Aron is necessarily dumb. I think he knows exactly what he's doing. But it's just that, he's taking advantage of people. That's the part that I don't like about it. If you're looking at a CEO and if you're looking at it from the view of the company, I mean, dude, he's selling air to retail investors. He's just creating money. He's printing money out of thin air, and he's paying the executives beautifully at AMC. So, of course, they're going to worship it. They're going to love it. They're going to say, keep on doing it, man. We don't care about idiot Claybro. We don't care about Jay Stupid Bones that's holding AMC, man. We don't care about these idiots. Just continue paying our paycheck, man. So, from that perspective, he knows exactly what he's doing, and he's just digging into our pockets to see how much money he can get out so that he can continue to run his company and pay for some nice bonuses. When you look at it from our perspective, like, dude, AMC, I can guarantee you, AMC would be out of business right now if... and this is going to sound bad, okay? If AMC was ignored, and GameStop was the only play. If I didn't make videos, Trey didn't make videos, Mac Hors didn't make... If everybody just straight up ignored it, and it never became a movement, and people didn't get behind AMC the way that they did, if it wasn't something that was talked about in the GameStop community was like, AMC stupid, don't talk about AMC, I can guarantee you AMC would be out of business. They would have been diluting at $2 a share as opposed to $70 a share, $50 a share, $30 a share, and so on. They never would have been able to raise the money that they did. They may have been able to raise $100 million at best. And that would have lasted until they paid their bonuses at the end of 2021. So it's very hard for me to see somebody who is so ungrateful to the retail investors who 100% undisputedly saved their company. I don't like it. Let's see. I gave you the answer, but your moderator erased it. Kraken, I don't know if a moderator erased it, man, or if YouTube just didn't let it come through. Sometimes YouTube doesn't let stuff come through, man. I hope the reverse split happens before next Wednesday. If CPI comes in hot, shorts printing. Oh my gosh. Yeah, dude, I don't know when. I don't know when the reverse split's going to take place. It was supposed to take place within 10 days of the settlement, right? I misspoke. Adam Aaron isn't dumb. He's smart enough to steal from investors and get away with it. That's exactly right. Kai, now you got it, man. Now you got it. Bronson, baby. Just scat on. Anything? Crypto Keeper. You got a green name. That's new. Crypto Keeper, you got a green name. But I don't think that there's too much new going on right now. Pudgy, just been breathing the same air as you, baby. I'm at 53% on Paul Swap and can't take profit. That's crazy, Dark Bro. That's crazy. Later. Woohoo! Peace out of the diamond hand snakes, baby. I love it. Guys, apparently it is 5 o'clock. Get your names in the chat right now. We're going to do some shout-outs. We're going to be back tonight with videos at 7 p.m. Videos at 8 p.m. Eastern Time. I really do ask, guys. Watch the videos. Share the videos. Video views have been down, so it's kind of disheartening to see everything going down when the crypto market is sitting sideways and stagnant. But I do appreciate all you guys for watching it, keeping them on playlists if you guys play the playlist and all that good stuff. Really appreciate every single one of you, even you, Pocket, whoever you are out there. And Pat, man, thank you very much for all the Streamlabs super chats. J-Bones, YouTube, man, Mr. Amit Singh, if you're still in here. Get your names in the chat, guys. We're going to do these shout-outs, and we're going to be back tonight, man. Let's see. I do follow Mullen, but not terribly close, man. I don't follow all of the news, but we've always, I know the price action on it. We've got it on the left-hand side of the screen all day long. Kai, Gorilla Invictus, Kraken, Matt, man, Pudgy's, Kai, Pudgy, Crypto Keeper, Pudgy, Bronson, Dark Bro, Roulette Wheel. Peace out of the diamond-handed snakes. Pudgy, see you later, man. Pharaoh, say you later. J-Bones, 100%, baby. Crypto Keeper, Pat, peace out to you as well, man. John J, enjoy it. Gorilla Invictus, Crypto Keeper. We got Richard, Pudgy, peace out of the diamond-handed dragons, baby. Bender, have an awesome day as well, man. Toodles to you, Kai, Bronson, 30 Sanchez, all of you guys. You know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.